The Ortovox Zoom is the lowest price point transceiver in Ortovox's range, and also the most basic. Their ethos behind making this is, let's just make a transceiver that works well, but is simple and affordable, so we get as many transceivers out there as we possibly can. Okay, so the Zoom Plus, so because it's got a plus, it uses Ortovox's smart antenna technology. So it's still a 3 antenna transceiver, the digital processing, but what it doesn't have is any masking capability. It lets you know if there is more than one signal being received, but really it's just designed to get you to the first transceiver, expects you to dig that one up, turn it off, and then that will allow you to then search for a second signal, as it doesn't have signal masking, which is actually what happens in just about all avalanche rescues anyway. Okay, so let's have a look. Inside we've got the transceiver and the body harness. The Zoom uses exactly the same harness as the other two Ortovox transceivers, the S1 Plus and the 3 Plus. A shoulder strap and elasticated waist belt, adjustable and comfortable, with a lightweight mesh bag that holds the transceiver. There's a clip on the mesh bag for the lanyard, so the transceiver is always attached to you. Lightweight and simple, the Ortovox body harness is a good one, and I guess that's why it's common to all three of their transceivers. Okay, in use, the Zoom Plus has a power selector on the back, on and off, so just flick, turn up for on, then it does its setup and self-test routine. Okay, 99% battery, software 2.1, and that's it in transmit mode. Okay, the batteries in the back are under this compartment, which is held down with a screw. So you do need a coin or something similar to open the battery compartment. Okay, search strip width for the Zoom Plus is 40 meters. I don't know if you've watched the Ortovox 3 Plus video, you'd see that in essence, though it's a different shape, its design is very similar. It has these two sort of catches on the top, and when you want to put it into search mode, you pull those apart and the bottom pops up and it goes into search mode. There is the two dots, a bit of electromagnetic interference there, but if it's not receiving a signal, then the dots kind of snake around the screen trying to remind you to do a course search. If you want to go back into transmit mode, then you just push the button back down and it goes into transmit. Okay, so it really is, that's it. Really is a very simple device. There's no masking, there's no nothing. You turn it on, it guides you to the strongest signal it's receiving, then you have to dig that up, turn it off and move on to the next one. So in terms of ease of use and low cost, the Zoom Plus is, a real winner for people who are trying to get their avalanche safety kit together for the lowest cost. And it's actually a very nice transceiver to use. We've got a video showing you how to use the transceiver, so have a look at those. That's the Ortovox Zoom Plus.